Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll explore the seamless integration between Vikn Books and Rassasy. To get started, open Vikn Books and navigate to the menu icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, find and click on POS Settings at the top of the left side. Here, you'll first encounter the General Settings page. Begin by Employee Access Key Permissions. Choose the warehouse for order management. And if an order is cancelled, you can specify reasons. Click on Employee Access to proceed. At the top, you'll find options like Employee Access, Permissions, Table, and Kitchen. Let's start with the Kitchen option. Click on the Kitchen button. The kitchen page will open. To add a new kitchen, click the Add Kitchen button on the top right. Enter the kitchen name, provide the IP address of the printer, and add an optional description. Click Add Kitchen, and you'll see the newly created kitchen. Use the search option on the left to find any kitchen quickly. Now, let's delve into the Table section. Click on the Table button, then click Add Table on the right to create a new table. Enter the table name, select the price category, and click Add Table. To find previously created tables, use the search button on the left. Moving on to permissions, click Add Role, and then Add Role on the right to create a new role. Enter the role name and click Add Role. Customize permissions on the following page and see the created role. The search option on the left helps find specific roles. Now, explore Employee Access. Click on Employee Access. Then click Add Employee on the right to add a new employee. Choose the employee type and, if a delivery person, provide an access key. Alternatively, assign a role, copy the displayed PIN number used for Rassasy login, and click Add Employee. Deliverymen don't have access to Rassasy. Employees with other roles can log in to Rassasy with their PIN. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.